Yes, yes, yes. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Dr. Akshita,
Yes.
all well?
Yes.
Since this is a kind of informal meeting we are having today,
Yes.
no one is in the formal attire. I'm going to introduce my team here first.
Yes.
That's Sukhenda ma'am. She's a doctor, she's a dentist, she's going to ask questions to you. Be prepared for this.
Yes.
You know Mr. Rama,
Yes.
right? He's also a doctor.
Yes.
So we are well equipped
Yes.
to ask plenty of questions to you. And you know Mr.
Yes.
Ankush, he's all in all, right in all the subjects there, and you have an idea about myself there. So, somewhere we are going to start with our question session there, straight away. We have read your biodata thoroughly, and somewhere we are starting from the protest part also, which is going on right now for the farmers. Suppose if you are appointed as a medical counselor for the people to look after them, their diseases, those who are there on the roads. And what medicines you will suggest, what will be the course of medication for you, keeping all the problems in the mind. Take 20 seconds and think over it, then you answer. Is there any need to repeat the question? Wherever you are uncomfortable, you can ask, we are going to repeat the question.
And you can even take off your mask if you feel. Okay. Because we are maintaining social distance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, first of all, I should be prepared with my first aid. I should have my basic supply, my basic things with me. For counseling part, I need to look after the diseases which are very common in such a congested environment. For example,
The very first thing I said that you are a medical counselor.
Yes.
You have to manage all the things.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead now.
So first thing, during the COVID pandemic, it is very necessary to ensure the mask, the sanitization, and the social distancing. So first of all, without any medication, I should help them with the mask and with the knowledge about the social distancing. Secondly, because of the injuries, because of the police confrontation,
Right.
I need to counsel them about the basic bandages, basic medicines for pain and antiseptic solutions. For in case the testing is not appropriate, they might be having the COVID symptoms. They might be having fever, cough. So I should be prescribing them the paracetamol tablets. And for the immunity part, I will be prescribing them multivitamins and zinc tablets.
Right. So I said that medical counselor, you did justice with that. If I said that medical counselor organizer,
Yes.
then what you can say more steps you will think about?
So as an organizer, I would like to prepare a team with multiple dimensions. One team for each part. One team can go for the COVID pandemic. One team can go for basic first aid, bandages and abrasions. One team can go for the multivitamins and immunity booster part. And as an organizer, I will monitor all the happenings and look after if there is any problem or is there any shortage in the supplies.
Have you heard about the same kind of arrangements had been made in 1989 in Tiananmen Square, and presently in Hong Kong protests, similar kind of thing is going on. Teams of doctors and they are doing some pilot studies. Is there in your mind?
So I have not heard about it, but I can imagine this happening.
Alright. So one more question I'll ask there about Article 370.
Yes.
Is it a bliss or an act of atonement? Atonement is repentance. It is, you can say, a bliss for the country. It's bliss for the people of G&K, or it's an act of atonement that India will repent, we all will repent. Abrogation would not have been done like this. You have something to say on it?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
So Article 370 is controversial because there are both sides. There are people who were in the opinion of abrogation.
Why controversial? See, debatable?
Yes, sir, it is debatable.
Yeah.
So there are some people which are in the opinion of integration with India, with the common constitution, with the common values and common experiences so the development of India can reach Jammu and Kashmir also. But some of the opinion that Jammu and Kashmir has its own history and its people are vulnerable, so the abrogation might lead to the mixing of the people and the identity might be lost. Also, because of the proximity with the Pakistan, there is some international issue also with the bilateral issue between the countries. So, so far the abrogation has not incited much violence, and I'm of the opinion that people seem to adjust to the abrogation, and it might bring us some better results.
Is there any difference between Ranbir Penal Code and Indian Penal Code?
Yes, sir, they are different.
What difference is there?
Sir, I don't know the exact positions.
What difference is there?
Differences.
Alright, so Mr. Vivek Khanna is there. First.
Okay, Akshita, what is your home state?
So my home state is Haryana.
So can you define what is the meaning of Haryana, or where will you find the first ever reference of this word?
So I have heard about Hari Ka Ana. Like,
What does that mean?
so the place of Lord of Bhagwan, Hari Ka Ana.
Hari is in Indian mythology. Who is referred as Hari?
So I'm not sure.
Not sure. Is it Lord Vishnu? Is it Lord Krishna? Is it Hanuman? Or some other?
So I'm not
Okay,
sure.
not sure. And what about the historical? Have you gone through any inscription where the word Haryana was mentioned for the first time?
So I'm not sure.
Okay, and your home district is Ambala. So why is Ambala famous?
Sir, Ambala is known as Science City. It is famous for science instruments and surgical instruments. And
There is a emerging technology called Da Vinci robot in medical field. Why is it considered costly as compared to the normal surgical procedures which we?
Sir, it includes artificial intelligence and robotics, so it is considered as costly.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
So my hobbies include cycling and writing on Quora about pre-medical counseling.
Okay. Is cycling Olympic sport?
Yes, sir, cycling is one of them.
Has any? Can you name any two famous cyclists from India? Okay. Have you ever thought about competing in some cycling event?
Sir, I mainly go for recreational cycling as a stress buster and mood reliever. I do not think of competing.
Okay. Which muscle is known as Taylor's muscle?
No, sir, I don't.
No idea. Okay. Which is the strongest muscle in human body?
Sir, gluteus.
That's the largest muscle,
Largest.
strongest muscle, which can take maximum pressure.
Sir, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Is it the masseter? Where is masseter?
Sir,
Okay, job. Okay. Since we are through a pandemic, so I'm giving a hypothetical situation since you are a counselor
yes.
as well. So you are in charge of a medical facility where ventilators are in short supply due to sudden surge in COVID cases. And there are 5 patients who have walked in. First is the health minister of the state. The second is a doctor colleague who has been working overtime to save lives. The third is a pregnant female. Fourth is a 60-year-old adult with a diabetic. And the fifth is a 10-year-old. You have just one ventilator. So which one person you would allot that ventilator to save that life?
So all are coming with the same severity of the disease.
Yes.
Sir, I will go with the pregnant woman.
Why pregnant?
Sir, it can save 2 lives.
But you can see the mode of transmission of COVID is a droplet infection. There is no report case a pregnant female might transmit to a young one. Or
So,
you,
but if pregnant female dies, then the life is already.
life is already dead. In that case, you are you can say you are trying to save 2 lives
Yes.
instead of.
Yes.
Okay, we accept that as one of your assumptions. And currently, mRNA vaccines are in news.
Yes.
How are they different from the ones which Covaxin or Covishield?
So mRNA vaccines are dependent on the mRNA part of the strain. In this vaccine, the benefit is that we focus on the genetic material, the transmission material. Here, the mutations are also considered in purpose.
Are you sure? Okay, how compare Covishield and Covaxin? What's the
Sir,
more of how are the technologies different?
Sir, in Covishield, sir, I'm not much aware of the details. I've heard about
Because generally there are live attenuated vaccine and
So they are
sometimes they are
killed.
dead.
Yes.
So which one is using the live virus, adenovirus?
So both are using the inactivated virus.
Oh, are you sure?
So I have read about this.
Okay. Sir, you can continue.
Yeah. I will carry on with the same medical sciences. Tuberculosis hit Europeans yesterday, and it's hitting today the Asians. Is there any reason? The reasons are the same. It was consummating the Europeans yesterday. Yesterday means 18th century, 19th century. Now it's hitting hard here in India, or we say Asia, Southeast Asia and East Asia.
Yes.
Is there any kind of, you can say the same, you can say the reasons you can work out, or the reasons are different there?
So tuberculosis is caused by bacterium.
Mm-hmm.
One of the major factors behind the causing of tuberculosis is the socio-economic conditions.
Mm-hmm.
The poverty, overcrowding, undernutrition, they are the basic factors which can lead to more susceptibility to tuberculosis. We are all having latent infection, but as soon as our immunity comes down, we show the symptoms of tuberculosis.
Mm-hmm.
So I can be of the opinion that earlier, due to wars and the socio-economic condition, the tuberculosis was much of the European countries. Now those conditions are present here. They are not changed. So the tuberculosis has more occurred here.
Any other reason you find? Same reason that worked yesterday for them, today it's working for the Asians.
So anything is not good.
Okay, alright. And one more thing, that already we have gone through 1.5 years of this corona. Plenty of new terms we have learned about it.
Yes.
One is quarantine also.
Yes.
What's the etymological meaning of this word? What's the literal meaning of the quarantine?
So quarantine means to isolate, to keep the patient separate from the rest of the world to prevent the spread of the infection.
Mm-hmm.
So it was earlier used for yellow fever virus also,
Mm-hmm.
when we used to quarantine patients at the airports to prevent the spread of disease across countries.
Have you heard something about the spice roots?
Spice fruits.
Spice roots.
Yes.
Okay, R-U-T-E, spice root. Okay. So somewhere spice fruits were carrying, spice fruit means two. One was moving towards Eastern Asia, other was moving towards Mediterranean part. And there, this ships moving and carrying things, they were always carrying the diseases also there. So this is the age-old practice of keeping ships for 40 days in isolation, and the process is started there and then progress. So why I'm just asking this thing, I just want to get an idea that how many new terms Corona has coined.
Yes.
Just you can say, acknowledge all the terms there.
So quarantine,
Okay.
it's become more famous.
Right.
R not.
Mhm.
So social distancing
Okay.
and
Okay. Is there any difference between the social distancing and the physical distancing?
yes, sir.
Which one is a more appropriate term?
Social distancing.
Okay. What we are doing in the social distancing?
So we are keeping the distance of 2 feet between the people at the crowded places,
Mhm.
and we are avoiding the contact so the droplet infection does not get carried.
So social is carrying certain social norms.
Yes.
All these are the physical distancing parameters that you have said.
Yes, sir. Sir, physical distancing also include the distancing at homes and the places where we usually stay together. But in social distancing, we are more focused on the society, on the outside places. So that is of my opinion.
You are sure with this answer?
Yes, sir.
You are sure with this answer?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay, there are certain diseases which are called tropical
Yes.
and certain diseases are called the temperate. In which category you will take this corona? Is it tropical or a temperate?
So I'm not sure, but it is prevalent. It is prevalent more in the temperate region than the
Temperate. Right. Let's see what's the next one.
Hello Akshita.
Yes.
Akshita, you are a bright student.
Yes.
health you 96%.
Yes.
Okay. And you did your 10 from Swami Vivekananda Public School.
Yes.
Okay. Akshita, can you tell us what is Vedanta or Swami Vivekananda?
Yes. So Vedanta is derived from the word the Ant of Vedas. So it was a theory which Swami Vivekananda followed to follow a new scientific basis of the Vedas. He get carried away from the Vedas philosophies to develop a scientific basis of the basis of life.
Is there any difference between the teachings of Upanishada and Vedanta?
Yes, sir, there is difference. The Upanishad focus on the philosophical part of the Vedas, and the Vedanta focus on the scientific part.
Okay, Akshita. And what's the difference between Vedanga and Vedanta?
Vedanga is the parts, the ang of Vedas. So there are the philosophical schools which come in the Vedangas.
Can you tell us?
Yes, sir, I don't remember exactly all. No, sir, I don't.
Okay, Akshita, no issue. Akshita, why do you want to become a civil servant? You are a bright student, you have a bright future, you are a doctor.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was inspired by my uncle, Dr. Rakesh Gupta. I met him during my third year in graduation. I saw him working very, very hard on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao section of Haryana. He is an IAS officer in Haryana. I was in touch with him. He told me about the work he has done in the social sector. I was really inspired by it. So I also wanted to work in this.
Okay. For social sector, you can also join NGO. Why civil services?
Since being a civil servant, I have very opportunities and responsibilities along with decision-making power. So here I feel I can bring more change.
Akshita, suppose you are posted in a remote village of UP.
Yes.
A crowd come to your office and crowd protesting against CA.
Yes.
Then how will you console the crowd?
So first of all, right to protest is a fundamental right, if peacefully and without any harm to the society, it is allowed. So they are constitutionally correct. I will, before they are protesting in front of my office, I will ask the leader to present the case why they are protesting. I can ask them to protest more peacefully and do not harm the public, and I will assure them to take their demands.
Okay, Akshita, what's your opinion about CA?
So, Citizenship Amendment Act is being implemented to provide citizenship to the.
Your opinion on CA? I'm not asking definition. Your opinion.
So, CA aims to provide citizenship to our the communities which have faced issues in our neighboring countries. So, it will be beneficial to.
Tell the name of neighboring countries.
So, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Akshita, if you get a chance to go abroad,
Yes.
what would you call?
So, I will go.
Okay, so Akshita, your parents are from mathematics background
Yes.
and you opted for medical field.
Yes.
Any specific reason for that?
Ma'am, I had interest in both mathematics and biology.
Mm-hmm.
In my +1 class, my teacher said opt one. Both cannot be beneficial. Because of my more interest in biology and a better future as a medical student, I opted for medical
So
science.
you haven't repented many times.
No.
So you are, but now you are shifting to civils.
Yes, ma'am.
So why?
Ma'am, medical knowledge will in any case benefit me in the civil services.
Mathematics would also have helped you.
Ma'am, it is
Any
always
knowledge
with
is
me.
good.
It is always with me. Basic maths is always with me.
Would have been even better also.
So you have done your schooling from Swami Vivekananda Public
Yes,
School. Right? So have you felt any influence of Swamiji on your life? If any instance you can provide us with.
Ma'am, I remember one of his quote,
Okay.
arise awake and stop not till the goal is achieved. This quote is very favorite of mine.
It has influenced your life.
Yeah. Akshita, we have heard about Swami Vivekananda. He was a glutton and a connizer. Is it so?
So can you tell me the meaning of those words?
Glutton, the person who eats a lot. Connizer, who is having, you can say, taste for all types of cuisine. He was.
Sir,
We heard about.
Even sir, his master was also
Hmm.
was a big foodie. Actually, he said he used to eat only to survive. The day
Hmm.
he will not eat, he will die. I mean, there was some spiritual connection with that.
And that person has moved the world in Chicago Religious Conference.
Yes.
It means something is there with being a glutton and being a organizer there.
Yes.
Good man.
And also later he shifted from a public school to a government college.
Government school. Government college, yes.
Yeah, why?
Ma'am, I got already a rank of 28, so I preferred government college over a private college.
Why?
Because ma'am, I was getting a seat at a subsidized
Okay.
place. So my fees was very less as compared to a private medical college fees.
And you trust government institutions of the country.
Yes.
And you will work for that.
Yes.
Okay.
You did not answer well to the such question. What's your opinion about CAA?
Sir, I'm not able to form my opinion right.
Hmm. Right. Have you heard about Quadrilateral Alliance?
Quad, yes.
Why Australia every time chickens out of it? Whenever it is ripened to deliver something out of it and it chickens out. Is there any specific reason for that?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, Quad is a military alliance. It seemed to be against the Chinese aggression policies. Australia seems to be connected more with the China because of the trade and other related issues. So Australia always took.
Alright. Is there any link between Australian and the Chinese trade and all these things? Over dependence of Australia on Chinese imports?
Yes, sir, I have heard there is dependence, but I am not sure about which products.
Any idea about the total amount of the trade that goes on between the two countries?
No, sir.
Alright. Have you heard the name of Yoshihide?
No, sir.
He is Prime Minister of Japan.
Yes.
And then I was about to ask, if you do not know this, then my question goes, you can say.
Sir, I have not heard about it.
Otherwise, I was about to ask you, Yoshihide is no comparison to Shinzo Abe
Okay, sir.
in carrying the legacy of quadrilateral alliances.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, these days Pakistan is quite benevolent and its overtures are so much visible in the media,
Yes, sir.
turning out to be a friend of India. Is there any reason for it? It has turned out to be a sensible, came into the senses, or someone is drinking something out of it?
Sir, the Pakistan has been of the opinion against the 370, against the Article 370. In any case, they want to pressurize the government to revoke the status back of 370. They are using terms of trade, they are using various other measures to pressurize the government.
Alright. And what's your opinion about Imran Khan? Is it a true representative of masses, or is this an inconnivance of the military regime ruling over the country?
So he is an elected president of the
Prime Minister.
elected Prime Minister of the Pakistan. I will say he is much of the representative of the people.
Alright. Do you find that USA is in a haste to wind up its role into Afghanistan?
Yes, sir. Due to the USA was about to withdraw its troops before 1st May, but because of the airstrikes and because of the violence, it shows the hesitance of the USA to leave. And the gate of exit of US will be the entry of Taliban.
Can you suggest something that the alliances at the world level are changing, and Russia is a bit drifting away from India, or it's just a mere apprehension in the mind?
So Russia has more connections with the China because of these alliances, these informal alliances. Russia seems to be away from the India and away from the pro-USA or pro-India alliances.
You're very precise in your answers. Very precise in your answers. Alright. What is the 13th amendment if we talk about Sri Lanka?
So in 13th amendment, the Tamils of Sri Lanka were given the citizenship of give the citizenship of the India. They were called back for the citizenship.
Okay. So this is about the autonomy to the northern and the eastern alliances.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So elections are going on these days in
Yes.
India. Are you happy with the way election commission is working?
Yes, I mean, election commission is working very hard.
Hmm. And what may be the future outcome of these elections? Who will win in West Bengal?
So I cannot.
Can you can say talk about major alliances in Assam?
So I don't know.
Okay, DMK and All India and DMK in which state?
So Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. And who is leading DMK part? Mr. Stalin.
Yes.
Great. Any you can say guesswork over there.
So
It seems that you are playing safe game over here.
So I cannot.
If the question is controversial, answer can be controversial. It is both ways acceptable there. Okay, who is going to win in Kerala for the last time I'm asking?
So I cannot.
You are going to keep your, can say verdict. Sir, do you have any question?
So, which department would you like to work for if you become a civil servant?
So I would like to work on the health.
Health department.
That's all from our side. Now, 3 things you have to listen before you leave. We're going to pass on a piece of paper to you and a pen.